Not sure how to start this video, but it's Saturday, beautiful day outside. We're still right in smack in the beginning or middle of the pandemic. Not even sure where we are in this. A couple of hundred deaths in Canada, about 4,000 in the US, more than 50,000, 60,000 worldwide, and this is the time of season. Usually we pick on our cars and get them ready for springs, and this is what I'm trying to do today, just to take my mind off of this mess. Kids are outside playing. Wife is trying to pretend nothing's happening, and I'm fiddling on the Mopar, I guess. Yeah, so winter time's over. I had the option here for the heater, the block heater. I'm gonna remove that from the front. Also checking oil fluids. Obviously I need to change my winter studded tires, but shops are only open to essential vehicles, support vehicles, policemen, fire trucks, transports, all that stuff. So I called my mechanics, but he has all my summer stuff. He's not going to be able to squeeze me in before mid-April, or depending on how this goes. So anyway, I hadn't started my car since my last video, the day after I took yeah, that was the day before, so probably a couple of weeks. It's going to be a hell of a cold start. After this is done, I'm thinking to just wait until all this is done, start using it. We have to go get groceries, wearing the mask. The mask is difficult to wear, first of all for breathing purposes, but also for all these people that thinks you're sick. In reality, the mask is there to protect them from your own saliva and spill. So if everybody wore it, it would help everyone to protect themselves against their fellow citizens. And still, people are not used to seeing it. That makes it difficult to wear it. That's it for now. ARTIE is parked.